Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find deals on DoorDash. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to get the best deals on DoorDash. Maybe you're looking for a coupon off. Maybe you're looking for a buy one, get one free deal. How do you actually go ahead and find deals on DoorDash? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, we're first going to go onto the DoorDash page. And right over here on the home page, you're going to find this filter that says deals. Now, if you click on deals, that's going to filter all the nearby restaurants that offer certain deals on them. So for example, for Chipotle, they offer 25% off selected items. For the Great Greek Mediterranean Grill, it's $5 off. For Archie's Thai, it's buy one, get one free. And then for Soho Sushi Burrito, it's $5 off on a $25 order. So normally when you click on these restaurants, it already automatically applies the deal. So for Archie's Thai, for example, if we click onto this restaurant and scroll down, you can see that the buy one, get one free applies to certain items. And that's how you know which items are qualified for the certain deal. And so with that being said, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find deals on DoorDash. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.